How are you doing? I am cleaning and maintaining an old machine, a Montgomery Ward machine, Happy Lite sewing machine from the 1940s. And this was a small machine. It was made to be like the featherweight, but it's not as light as the featherweight. I think it's more cast iron in it than aluminum, because the featherweights were made of aluminum. This machine is a lot heavier, but it's a portable machine, and I'll show you what I mean. Hold on. You see this? This is the Happy Lite. Yeah. So, this is what I'm working on. And if I get it running, I will let you know. So, do you want to see? I am actually sewing. Listen. This is what I sewed. This is the back side, and this is the front side. The front side is in white, the back side is in a dark gray, and it looks like this. I made a little pouch. Isn't that cool? Now all I need to do is put a little yarn or ribbon through the sleeves, and that's my pouch. So I got this machine working. I oiled it a little bit. This one takes some oil in the top corner, and it took some in the bobbin area. This one is a side bobbin. It pops out of the side. I cleaned it up in there, and oh, it was real dirty. Yeah, I cleaned it up. There was a bunch of lint in the feed dogs, and in behind the bobbin holder. I cleaned that all up, and now it's running perfect. So this is their sewing machine at Stitch Away Club in Palmetto. In Stitch Away Club in Palmetto, she's having sewing classes, knitting classes, crochet classes, some form of art. And this is a new place. She just bought this place and is gonna have a lot of fun with it. So I hope you guys do get a hold of her. I'll leave her information down below. And yeah, so I'm getting her sewing machines ready. All right. Please remember, subscribe below, and if you could, like it and share it with your friends, because I need 1,000 subscribers. But you guys know that, and you all always know that I'm only doing this for Operation Christmas Child. But this is the Happy Lite, and it's running, and it's good. All right, bye guys.